Hey, what's going on, guys? Jason here from Poor Man's Preparing, and in this video we're going to check out my cooking kit. So let's get started. So lately I've been keeping things in kits, or putting kits together I should say, for my emergency bag, camping pack, bug out bag, whatever you want to call it. Mine is multi-purpose, I like to think, but anyway, I've been putting things in the kits. And this is my cooking kit that I put together recently in this Apaca Box dry bag. Very, very nice bag. Clear, see-through on this side, so you can see everything in there. But let's open it up and check out what's in it. Alright, we'll set this over here. First up, I just have a little meal I put together. This isn't something that'll last very long. I can make these up like a week ahead of time before I go camping or something. It just has some salt and pepper and a bouillon cube in here. And then inside is dehydrated chicken from Mountain House and some egg noodles. So I can cook this up real easy. Just add water to it and it's ready to go. But that's not something I normally would keep in my kit all the time. I would just throw it in there before I go camping or something. Alright, next item is this little Enright collapsible towel, just to keep your hands clean and stuff like that. Wipe your face off. Whatever, just to stay a little clean. Pretty cool towel. It all goes back in this little pouch. You could put a carabiner on right here and attach it to a pack or whatever, or to your side, whatever you want to do. But a little towel, nothing fancy. Alright, next up I have a seasonings kit, which I'll move the camera, we'll take a better look at. Alright, here's my little seasonings kit. Right on top I just have some foil. Foil is very useful in cooking and for fire starting. You could lay it down on the ground to keep the if the ground's wet, so you can keep your fire dry. A bunch of salt and pepper packets, bouillon cubes, chicken broth basically, and just a bunch of ketchup. Now the thing about the ketchup is you want to, well actually everything, I'll just throw it away like every 6 months and then just put new in there. These stay good for a while, so I'd probably keep these for at least a year, but everything else I'd throw away. Alright, next up, I usually have 4 of these, but I just have 2 in there right now because I use them sometimes. But they are my favorite spoons. They are Mountain House spoons. They reach deep down into the bag, but like I said, I usually have 4. These are very cool spoons, sporks, whatever. They're titanium, they're very lightweight. You can buy these non-Mountain House brand, but they're the same thing. Just look up titanium spoons. Great to have. Alright, next up I have a couple of these collapsible bowls by Foldable cups, I guess I should say. But yeah, they just fold up into a nice cup. And a nice bowl. Easy peasy. Alright, next item up is multi-purposes, but it's just a little stainless steel grill. I had made it work. Basically you can use this obviously to just cook food right on, like if you had a steak or pork chop. Throw it right under there. You can use 4 tent stakes, or just pry it up on 2 rocks or logs or something. Put the ashes right underneath and you're in business. You can also use it to set your pot on if you don't have a pot holder or anything like that. So multiple uses for that. And the last item up, and the main piece of my kit, is the solo stove. I'm sure you've all seen them before. I've made other videos using it. I'll show a clip of it right here, how good it works. Comes in this nice bag. It's all stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about it. It's got a bag inside of a bag. Very well designed. What I really like about this is you don't need any fuel. You can just use sticks instead that you find laying around. So you set that up, put your pot right on top, pay attention to what you're doing instead of the screen. It makes it easier. And you're in business. Easy peasy. That's the way I like it. So yeah, that's basically my cooking kit. All of it fits nicely in that bag, and it's got everything I need to basically cook while I go camping and stuff like that, but also for emergency uses. A little bit of seasonings can help things that wouldn't taste so good otherwise taste a little bit better, And you can use the bouillon cubes that turn water into chicken broth or beef broth or whatever flavor you like. They'll make not so pleasant water taste better. But yeah, that is my cooking kit. Nothing too fancy. You know, it's all small, compact. I like keeping it in a little kit like that. And I've just started making my own meals, which you saw that one. I plan on trying them out while going camping this spring and summer, so look for videos on that. But either way, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more, and remember, be ready.